Learn to create motion graphics template in Premiere Pro. Take any text and from the Essential Graphics panel, adjust all of its parameters like fonts, font type and size, etc. and colors. Then go to the Effects panel, search for the transform under the distort. Just drag this over text. Now let's go to the effects control and here you will see the transform effects. Just drag it under the text and now just move your playhead in the beginning of the timeline and click on this position to create a keyframe for the position, and with this slide just move your mouse over this and drag it towards the left side to move this text out of the frame, something like this, and then move playhead few frames forward and then just bring this back to its position, or you can just play reset parameter, or you can choose the desired position and then move few frame ahead, and over here you will see this little dot and click on this to create one more keyframe, and then move your playhead few frames forward and then move this position by dragging it on the right hand side. So move this text outside of the frame, something like this, and play it. So you can even extend its duration by accessing to the keyframes. If you drag and place them little longer, so that would increase its length. So let's see how it looks now. And your motion graphics template is ready. So now it's time to save it. So right click and then select export as motion graphics template and browse the location. So don't use the default location, a location where you can save it and access it. So let me save it on desktop and choose select folder, and over here you can just type some keywords so that you can easily find them, and thereafter you need to just press OK, and that's going to export the motion graphics template. So just go to the Essential Graphics panel, select on the browse, and in the browse come down plus icon. So just click on that and browse this motion graphics template which we have just created and select the open, and that would be available right over here. If you don't see it, just search over here. So if you just search it, you will find this. So now you can click and drag it over your timeline. Works. So just play it, and you can even customize it by selecting this and then going to the edit option, and in the motion graphics just click on the text and now double click on the text and change it to something like, and you can even customize its size from here. Okay, you can change the font to something else, and you can even change some other parameters like fill, something like this. So let's play it. So thank you so much. Follow and subscribe for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials.